look at these pictures. Take a look at both of them. The blizzard of 2015 is turning parts of the South Shore into a disaster zone. This is a home in Marshfield torn apart by the surf. And take a look at this one. These are pillars. Those pillars are beneath a frozen house in Scituate, frozen solid. And this is the neighborhood where News Center 5's Mary Saladin is tonight. Mayor?
Yeah, it is really impressive to see firsthand entire homes encased in inches and inches of frozen seawater. This house actually survived the storm, but others here in Scituate and further down the coast in Marshfield weren't so lucky.
Late Wednesday evening, and it's mainly the power crew still at work. But where there is light, you see ice and damage, a lot of it. Here in Marshfield, Timothy Mannix's house took a direct hit. So did he.
I didn't go unconscious, thank God. If I did, I probably wouldn't be here.
The storm sent a massive wave crashing through his Ocean Street house. His sliding glass door slammed into his face. He'll survive, but his house?
This is quite a bit of damage, though. That front wall there never caved in before.
Damage assessment, also a day-long ordeal for Chris Carroll of Scituate. She chose not to ride out the storm in her Oceanside drive home. It was the right call.
I'm so grateful. My bed's not very comfortable, so a lot of times I'll sleep on that couch, and that couch is against this window. And with my 3 kids and our animals, I don't know what we would have done.
The storm breached the seawall in both Scituate and Marshfield, but the most damage was done by the waves that leapt right over them, tearing through residential walls, exposing the living spaces within, destroying so much in its path.
And there's still a lot of cleanup to do, obviously, but at least power has been restored to most of the South Shore tonight. And gas crews are out here working late as well, trying to assess damage and restore service as well. In Scituate tonight, I'm Mary Saladin, WCVB News Center 5.